In this video, I'll be giving you a quick overview of the new command packs feature. Command packs are a new experimental feature. Their purpose is to expand and simplify TextPlay's capabilities. At the time of making this video, command packs are still in beta and may change significantly. To use command packs, click on this icon. Here, you can see the available command packs. For instance, this one adds a number of commands for inserting random content, such as random numbers or text. It contains 3 commands, and here you can see their descriptions, how they work, and what they do. Let's activate this pack and see how it works. I want to randomize the greeting in my email to make it less repetitive. For this, I can use the random text command from the command pack I just activated. First, let's eliminate the standard greeting. Next, I click on the random text command and fill in as many options as I need. This is what the snippet looks like. Now, whenever I insert my email snippet, it will randomly give me one of the greetings I specified in the command. Try out the new command packs in your dashboard. Let us know what you think and tell us what new commands you'd like us to add.